Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Today, I was going to pick up apples from my garden. Nothing more fun picking up fruits and vegetables from your own garden and using them in your kitchen or sharing with your friends. And today, I will pick up apples and I'm going to make jam for my family and for my friends. This is a recipe I have been trying for decades, and it's a no preservative recipe using all natural ingredients, which I'm going to share with you. However, it started raining and I have to come without picking apples. I have to wait till afternoon or evening, then I'm going to pick up apples. But my plan is to make jam today. Okay, I will share it with you and I hope you will try this as well. And please watch this video till the end. Thank you.